What up everybody, it's your boy Heavy Crypto, and you already know what we do on this channel. We always find ways to make money with Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin, and everything related to cryptocurrency. In this video I want to talk about P2P game, and of course I also want to talk about what's going on in Nigeria, because recently I've been receiving a lot of messages. People have been asking me how exactly they can access to P2P markets, because we already know that Binance has banned Nigerian users to access P2P on their platform. So in this video I'll show you a best platform that we can actually do that, and of course I'll show you the game and how exactly you're going to buy cryptocurrencies if you do not have any access to cryptocurrencies. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. And guys, keep in mind that Binance is a centralized crypto exchange. It's not mainly for P2P, and this is the reason why central government has full control over Binance, and you do not really have freedom to trade freely if you're using Binance and other stuff. So this is the reason why I'm saying if you are a P2P trader on Binance, you should try out No One's. And it's not only about trading on No One's, because customer care is fast, and No One's only deal with P2P trading. So basically you can see this is a dashboard of No One's, and it's really simple to use, and there's liquidity, there's a lot of traders putting trades every day and all that stuff. I like No One's, and that's what I use every day to trade. But when it comes to Binance, like if anything goes wrong, it's gonna take up to 24 hours for you to get customer care or for you to get help. So this is another thing that I do not like when it comes to trading P2P on Binance. Okay, so as you can see here in South Africa, you can see that there's a lot of traders and stuff like that putting offers on every day, which is good. But there's only limited number of traders right now trading on Binance. Reason being because of regulations when it comes to central government, putting regulations and all that stuff. So this is the reason why I don't really like to trade P2P on Binance. That's another thing. But you can just come to No One's right here and then check out what No One's is really doing right now at this point, because to be honest, this is the only P2P platform that is really taking off in 2024. So basically, if you go to the marketplace, you can see all the offers. You have a bunch of choices. All right, so these are all legit traders trading on No One's, and if anything goes wrong, you can get help immediately, and it doesn't really take time. So if you want to start P2P business, I recommend you to start your business on No One's as well. So you can see that there's a bunch of offers and stuff like that, because a lot of people are really making money with P2P business on No One's. And speaking of business, guys, on this channel, I made a full tutorial on how exactly you can start a successful business on No One's. And this is actually we started with this video. So if you really want to take advantage of P2P business, make sure you watch this video to the very end, because this is the only detailed video about P2P business, followed by all these videos about P2P on No One's and stuff like that, because the No One's is the only platform that has a lot of clients and legit traders. So you're more likely to make a lot of money with P2P business on No One's, and this is the reason why I've been recommending you guys to try out No One's, so that you can also make money out of P2P business. But recently, Nigerian users have been banned from using Binance in Nigeria. So this is the reason why I'm also recording this video and tell them to try out P2P on No One's. Like if you want to buy Bitcoin right now, it's gonna be easier for you to use P2P in Nigeria. You know what I mean? Because there's no way you can buy Bitcoin in Nigeria. That's why No One's is there. So with the No One's, you have full access to cryptocurrency. You can buy using a bunch of payment methods using No One's. So this is the reason why I'm recommending No One's right now. So guys, if you find this content helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel. So we're on the road to 20k right now. Make sure you join the journey, because we always find ways to make money with Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin, and everything related to cryptocurrency on this successful channel. So if you really want to take this trading game to another level, then I recommend you guys to try out Heavy Crypto University. So with Heavy Crypto University, you can find pretty much anything about crypto trading and anything related to cryptocurrency. So if you really want to take this trading game to another level, make sure you try out Heavy Crypto University. You know what I mean? So this is the most successful course on internet right now. As you can see, a lot of people have been visiting this course, and you know, they're really getting help and they're making money every day. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys, and if you want to learn more about No1s and P2P game and business, make sure you watch this video, the whole video, because I explained more about No1s and how exactly you can run a successful business with the No1s and when it comes to P2P on this video. So therefore, I'll send the video, guys. Love and peace. Cheers.